I'm standing in a school on the island of Abaco. This school was used as an evacuation center during the storm, but people actually had to flee it for a safer building. They came back and used it as emergency shelter ever since. Red Cross volunteers have been here registering people, distributing donated items like food, hygiene items, and water. And I talked to one of the Red Cross volunteers who told me the most important thing they're giving people is comfort. A lot of people don't know what their next step is, and Red Cross volunteers are really here to give hugs and to help them figure out what they're going to do next. Red Cross is really ramping up its aid efforts on the islands, and we'll be distributing things such as water purification, emergency shelter, hygiene items, jerry cans, and other aid that will help people with their urgent needs. The American Red Cross has already committed $2 million to helping people impacted by Hurricane Dorian in the Bahamas. There has been a massive outpouring of generosity from the international community, the local community here, and the American public. There's a long road ahead here for people recovering from Hurricane Dorian, but the Bahamas Red Cross has been there since the beginning, and we're here to help people get back on their feet.